Well, throughout the county, there are numerous innovation centers that are supporting the churning out incredible talent. You know, when we talk about innovation, I'm talking in terms of business, in terms of our bread and butter, what makes our county function, and what our country was built on, the small business, the process of ownership. And this is what, as some call it, the American dream, the opportunity that we have to have our own business. So I'm excited to share a little bit, and if I can have Suzanne and is Josh here and Kay Yang? Whoever wants to come up's great. Well, we have two startup businesses I've asked to come up. UCR's Excite Incubator, StarNav, and Tinker the Robot. It's really exciting to have two successful businesses that use the resources in Riverside County. You know, how many of you watch Shark Tank? Nobody? Oh, come on. Shark Tank actually, yeah, real hands are starting to go up now. Shark Tank is an opportunity for businesses to get a public opportunity to get their businesses out there. We have those opportunities with public resources. And these are two businesses that took advantage of it. And I'm going to have you guys share. You want to start?
Thank you, Supervisor. Good morning. Well, the Office of Economic Development is super excited to launch our annual Innovation Month, all month long in April. We have the opportunity to showcase and highlight the innovative ecosystem that supports our small business community. And so who we have today is two of our innovative startup companies. I'm gonna start with Kay. She's got the flashing robot. Kay is the CEO and the lead tinkerer at Tinker the Robot. Tinker the Robot creates hands-on engineering programs for schools and community partners. Created by a mom engineer, Tinker the Robot delivers engineering concepts in a fun and approachable way by creating story-driven builds, experiments, and design challenges. I'm excited to say Riverside County Library System will be working with Tinker the Robot to deliver programming throughout our library branches. Okay?
Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you to all the resources that have been available to us. We really wouldn't have been able to grow and work with amazing people within our community without them, so thank you.
Thank you, Kay. And then we also have some homegrown, born and raised in Inland Empire, Josh Morales, CEO, and Christian Ardito, CTO, from StarNav, LLC. Riverside-based technology started up in 2020. They acquired their engineer degrees from the University of California, Riverside, and launched their company here to source the talent from our local universities. StarNav produces positioning and timing systems for ground vehicles, aircraft, and drones so that vehicles can get to their destination safely. Josh?
Thanks. It's been a great journey, and I want to give special thanks to Jennifer at the UCR Excite Incubator, partnered with the Office of Technology Partnerships with UCR, and my co-founder, Christian Ardito. It's been a great journey. We want to thank the county and the city of Riverside.
Well, as I said, April is Innovation Month here in Riverside County, and we are so excited to launch a new RivCoinnovation.org website. On this website, you can find all of the exciting information about our fast pitch competition, series of events throughout the month of April, as well as a link to all of our innovation incubators. These are really our innovation centers that are supporting and cultivating our local innovators and our entrepreneurs. Again, that's RivCoinnovation.org for more information. Thank you.
We have a proclamation. I'm not going to read it all. I think that Suzanne's pretty much covered it all. Just take a moment when you see something that, that was interesting. Or you know if somebody's got a great idea, encourage them. Ideas need to be encouraged, they need to be cultivated, and we have the resources to help them come to fruition. So I look forward to seeing some of you out there finding something that is going to be popular. I mean, come on, how many watch Forrest Gump? Kind of did a few of those that how they came to fruition, the smiley face and all the different things. And sometimes they're just very simple, but being able to move it forward is all it takes. So I know many of you can do it. So we look forward to April being an opportunity for you to check out some of the resources that can help you move it forward.
I didn't want to miss an opportunity to talk. So thank you, Supervisor Spiegel. You know, often I think when we think of innovation, we're largely thinking of the private sector, and that's wonderful, and I just think it's awesome what our Office of Economic Development leadership is doing to promote innovation. We also have a tendency at times to conflate innovation with technology, and they're not the same thing, right? And so I wanted to take this moment and this opportunity to sort of highlight some of the innovative things that are going on right here within our Riverside County family. Because I know that as we have come out of the pandemic, we learned many lessons about how we could provide services to our constituents, how we could provide new and different ways to achieve the goals that we set out to do, and do it in a way that promotes government transparency, that provides better services more efficiently, and we've got a great team of leadership in place that's helping us get there to do that. As we were discussing this item yesterday at my staff meeting, we were also recalling back in early 2021 when we had vaccines coming out, and a lot of folks that were eligible to get them, that over 65, over 75 groups of folks, they were struggling to utilize the technology that was available to try to make those appointments. And in my office, my staff stepped up and got phone calls to those folks and helped sign them up themselves because that's what they were thinking needed to get done, and they were trying to be innovative about it. And I know there are many more examples here in Riverside County's family of 23,000 employees. So I want to thank Suzanne and her team for this. I know I'm kind of taking a little bit away from what the message is here, but I also want to applaud all of the great innovation that's been going on here at Riverside County in providing better services, more efficiently. So thank you and congratulate you folks.
We're going to go ahead and take a group picture. Thank you for being here and sharing about your businesses and about the resources that you took up and helped make you successful. So hopefully we encourage others to do the same. As we formed, Suzanne wants an applause. She says you aren't in a clapping mood today. So can we have an applause, please?
How do we look? So fantastic. Nobody replied.